Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing great. I decided after I finished shaving both of my sides that I was going to go ahead and cut my hair shorter. I've wanted to do it shorter for a while now and just went ahead and decided to go ahead and try it. Which honestly was really stupid because I knew that my clippers were acting up and I think that they're actually broken. And that is what I use to cut my hair, or to use this technique. So with that being said, this doesn't really turn out the way that I wanted it to. So I'm going to have to go ahead and buy a new pair of clippers to go back through my hair and fix this. So this isn't going to be that great, but thank you guys for going ahead and clicking on this video. Hopefully it's not a complete fail to you. I've never had a problem using this method before, and if you watched my last video, you saw that my clippers at the beginning weren't really cutting through my hair, and what I didn't show was me hitting it several times because the blades weren't exactly going, so they weren't able to cut through my hair properly, which made this whole process take such a long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go ahead and let this play through. I will pop on every now and then and kind of explain what I'm doing or what's going on, but for the most part I'm just gonna let this play through. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. We light it up like the stars, no more fear of hiding. Stay where we are, we're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence.
For those of you who have never seen me use this technique before, I'm using the rubber band as a guide, and I'm using the clippers for a blunt cut. Now, normally this works, but my clippers were broken, so this did not work out the way it usually does. I tried using scissors, that did not work. I have very, very thick, coarse hair. So I'm going to have to order a new pair of clippers and go through this and go higher up. But for now, this is what I'm doing.
In the distance, I can see all the things that we can achieve. Are you starting to believe that tonight it was meant to be? Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. We light it up like the stars, no more fear of hiding. Stay where we are, we're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. end of. I thought you would be forever. I was hoping, always wishing that you'd give me love. Wasn't enough. I thought you would be forever. It's the right time to chase after the night. Don't need the sun, I need the limelight. Can keep me here inside. Don't need a hand to hold, it's alright. Cause I know just why I came for. And didn't you know, I like it so low. I could be the light that you need. Say you're doing fine alone, I find that hard to believe. Hate it when you come and go, but I love everything between. I just wish it hurt less every time that you leave. Cause every time we part, there's a part of me missing. It's hard to be alone in the world that we live in. When it's all said and done, girl, I trust your decision. We can fall apart, yet I wanna know if it's the right time to chase after the night. Don't need the sun, I need the limelight. Can keep me here inside. Don't need a hand to hold, it's alright. Cause I know just why I came for. And didn't you know, I like it so low.
So that is pretty much all I can do until I get a pair of clippers and bring up the back a little bit. But I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. If you guys did, I would really appreciate if you would give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys for my next video. Bye!
Daddy, don't show you told my face you're better off. That's a low blow, but I wanna see you shining. Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are.